the one for me. You ain't got shit I need. Want me to take my time with you. Maybe I'm not your speed. Maybe I'm not your league. You ain't even got no cheese. Maybe I'm just too G for you. Maybe I'm just too street. I can even roll in peace. Everybody notice me.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cece and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make my strawberry daiquiri flavor lip glosses. This one will be clear. I have made a previous video on clear lip gloss, but this one is a little different. This one I'm adding the rose petals. This is what the rose petals came in. It actually came in the big leaves, but I am gonna be breaking them up because I didn't want them too big in the lip gloss. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep doing that. I don't want too many, so I only broke about 5 leaves. I'm gonna be breaking them as small as I can. These are dry rose petals, by the way. I kind of wanted them a little smaller than this, but this will work just fine. And this is the last one I'm going to break up because I don't want too many in there. So this is literally all the lip gloss base I have left. I did make an order like 2 weeks ago, or is it a week ago? Probably last week. It was shipped out on Friday. I was supposed to get it today, but FedEx ended up delivering it yesterday, and I was not at my mom's yesterday. Nobody was home, so I missed my package. But this is all I have left. So this is what I am going to use. Hopefully they can deliver today, and hopefully I'll be at my mom's on time. So I'm not going to be making much of this because I just want to see how it sells. For the simple fact that it's a liquor flavored lip gloss. And like promised on my Instagram, if you guys follow me on Instagram, I did say I would start making samples to sell. So that will be on the website soon. So I'm just mixing up this lip gloss. Mixing up everything together. So I had to order another one of these and I totally forgot. So I'll have to make a separate order. And maybe order some more pigments as well. Continue to mix. Should probably add some more lip gloss. I'm gonna make sure I get every bit of this lip gloss out, like every bit. So this is the lip oil I'll be using. The flavoring oil I'll be using, I said lip oil. It is an oil, but it is strawberry daiquiri flavored. Yo, it smells so good. So this is what I'll be putting the samples in. I had ordered 100 of these. I don't even know where the other 50 is at. So I gotta look for it. I'm using the 60 ml syringe like always, along with the pipette. I think this is a 3 ml. Both were ordered from Amazon, because you guys always ask me where I get my stuff from. Amazon. The rose petals are from Amazon. I'm just going to be chopping that in there. This smells so good, y'all. It smells just like the strawberry daiquiri. If you ever had it, tastes really good, smells really good. Sweetie, if you don't get on this spoon. Really? So this lip gloss want to play with me today. My lip gloss tubes are already sanitized. If you guys want to see the video on that, it's a couple of videos back. But I sanitize it before I use it. So yeah, like promised, in every video that I make lip glosses, I promise y'all a discount code. I wrote that on my Instagram channel, so if you are following me, you know about it. So for these lip glosses, apply Rose 10 for 10% off, and you will get a free sample as well. So enjoy that, and I'm just gonna be putting the tops on the lip glosses. No, first I have to clean them off. So first I have to clean them off. I still have to wash them after, so this is not the final cleaning stage. So make sure you put the little stoppers. I don't know if you guys can see that. Make sure you put the stoppers in the lip glosses so that all the lip glosses don't come up on the wand. So that is what the stoppers are for. I don't know why I can't speak today. What the hell? You put that on there, and you put the lip gloss in. See what I meant by you have to leave a little room? Because the lip gloss comes up. Alright, y'all, so this is what the glosses look like after. I'm finished. I don't know if you guys can see that. My camera been messing up since the sparkles have fell on the concrete. And I was really pissed off, but this is what the lip gloss looks like. I hope you guys can see it. I don't know if it's focusing or not. Let me know in the comments down below what other videos you guys want to see. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you in my next video. Mwah.